Shawna is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. #Make the move. 635 Jamaica Circle, 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,433 square feet, pool, no HOA CDD. Located in the heart of Apollo Beach, this fully updated single-family pool home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and inside laundry. The home features new flooring, a completely renovated kitchen with quartz countertops, a coastal blue backsplash, and new appliances. Both bathrooms have been updated, with a primary suite including a walk-in shower and dual-sink vanity. Shiplap ceiling accents in the kitchen, and great room add a coastal modern feel. Step outside to a covered patio overlooking the pool, with a recent refresh on landscaping. The garage provides plenty of storage for beach gear, toys, or vehicles. Roof was replaced in 2020. This move-in ready home is in a short-term rental-friendly neighborhood with no HOA or CDD, just minutes from Apollo Beach attractions including waterfront dining.